Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the science class from Crescent School. Hope you are well and safe. Let's start the lesson. First you will watch a video for the recap of previous lesson.
Rainforests are the oldest living ecosystems on the planet. Some can trace their origins to over 70 million years ago, back to a time when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. While the giant reptiles have disappeared, rainforests continue to thrive, growing on every continent except Antarctica. Two types of rainforests are scattered across the globe: temperate and tropical. Temperate rainforests are mainly found in the mid-latitudes, often near cooler, coastal, mountainous regions. Tropical rainforests are primarily located in warmer climates between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. As their names imply, temperate and tropical rainforests are the wettest forests on Earth, receiving up to about 33 feet of rain per year. This precipitation plays a critical role in creating an exceptionally lush and biologically diverse habitat.
Today, we'll learn about desert animals and plants. A desert is a place that gets 10 inches or less rain in a year. Most deserts lose more moisture than what they gain. Some deserts are really very hot. The Sahara Desert can reach about 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The Gobi Desert and Antarctica is very cold. These places are deserts because they're very dry. Extreme temperatures combined with little rainfall or lack of water makes desert life difficult for humans, animals, and plants.
At the northernmost point of our world lies a land of ice and snow, a land of darkness and light, where strange creatures have made peculiar adaptations to the harsh conditions. Despite the bitterly cold winters, life flourishes in the short, cool summers, making this fragile ecosystem a remarkable one. Come explore the Arctic, one of the most remote and beautiful places on Earth. Because of the tilt of Earth's axis, the Arctic gets a great deal of sunlight in the summer and very little in the winter. As spring turns to summer, the days become longer and longer, until finally there comes a day when the sun does not set at all. When daylight lingers all through the night, it is called the midnight sun, something which occurs in the days surrounding the summer solstice. The Arctic is a harsh, forbidding land, but it is far from lifeless. Plants and animals live and grow and flourish in the conditions they are adapted for. Many species depend on the cold and the ice and would not be able to survive if it was gone. Because the Arctic climate is so unwelcoming to humans, much of it has gone untouched and undeveloped. But we can still disturb the delicate balance these creatures depend on. Hunting, pollution, and gathering natural resources may cause changes that upset the network supporting life in the northernmost reaches of our planet.
Coral reefs. Their bright, vivid colors can be seen in tropical ocean waters around the globe. Beyond their brilliant appearance lies a hidden significance. Coral are animals. Though they may look like colorful plants, coral are in fact made up of tiny animals called polyps. These invertebrates can range from the size of a pinhead to a bit larger than a basketball. Each polyp consists of a soft sac-like body topped by a mouth covered in stinging tentacles. To protect their soft bodies and add support, the polyps secrete limestone skeletons or calicles. Corals are megabuilders. Polyp calicles connect to one another, creating a colony that acts as a single organism. As colonies grow over hundreds and thousands of years, they join with other colonies and become reefs that can grow to hundreds of miles long. The largest coral reef is Australia's Great Barrier Reef, which began growing about 20,000 years ago. Coral reefs are some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth.
Today's topic is habitat, in which you have to do a written assignment. Let's have a look on objectives of the lesson, which are development of written expression of thought, provide opportunities to explore ideas, build connections between content area. Activity time. Oh no, some animals have escaped from their habitats. Help them in finding the way back their habitats. Let me explain what you have to do in this activity. You can see on the screen 3 different types of the habitats. The first one is the farm habitat, the second one is the ocean habitat, and the last one is the zoo habitat. All you have to do to find the habitat of given animals, for example, the habitat of starfish is ocean. In the same way, you have to find the habitat of all animals one by one. This is a verbal activity and I am sure you will enjoy this activity. Pause video here and do it. Moving forward, your first task is to write your name, class, section and subject. Here are few notebook maintenance rules which I would like to share with you. The first rule is day, date, topic, headings and questions should be written and underlined with a pencil. The second is leave a line after writing each question. Draw a finishing margin line after completing your work. Maintain the topic and index pages regularly and get them signed by the respective teacher and by the parents. Notebook should be kept in a good condition throughout the term. Last pages of the notebook should not be used for any kind of rough work. Dear students, you are not supposed to use the colored markers. You have to draw the lines neatly with scale. Before starting your work, first you have to write the index, serial number, then today's date, topic, habitat, and then get signed by your parents. Now your next task is to leave the first 2 pages, 1 page for pointer means for term dates, and the second page for the syllabus and copy maintenance rules. Inshallah, you will get all these things when school opens. Now start your work according to the above discussed rules. In your written task, you have to define the following terms with 5 examples: organism, habitat, flora, fauna. You can find the answers of all these questions from page number 11. Now homework. In your homework, you have to draw diagrams of any 2 plants and any 2 animals from page number 2 on your notebooks. Observe any 1 or 2 habitats from your lawn. Draw the picture and write 2 sentences on a separate colored paper. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.